Hello, eager explorers! Today we're embarking on an enchanting journey to experience exciting words that start with the letter E. Beginning our journey, here's an egg!
Crack, crack, who's coming out?
Soaring gracefully above, we see eagle!
Eek! Eek! Up in the sky, that's where I fly.
Splashing with joy, we encounter elephant!
Hoot! With big ears and a long trunk, I'm here to play.
In the mystical woods meet the elves.
Tee-hee! Crafting enchantments and fun!
Striking a vibrant chord, feel the rhythm of the electric guitar!
Strum, strum, let the music begin.
Exemplary and exhilarating, you've journeyed through 5 words starting with E. Which one entranced you the most?
Thanks for the electrifying exploration of ELVES.
Every letter is an eventful escapade. Stay eager for our next enlightening episode.